Why does your scanner show the P0128 engine code? What does it mean? P0128 is a diagnostic trouble code for coolant thermostat malfunction. It indicates that the engine has not reached the required temperature level within a specified amount of time. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty thermostat, low coolant level, faulty coolant temperature sensor, cooling fan issues, intake air temperature sensor problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. It occurs in a wide range of cars from different manufacturers, including Chevrolet, Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, GMC, and more. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.